Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to open and close sunroof in 2014 Ford Fiesta. So first I'm gonna pull this cover. And now I'm gonna switch to those sunroof switches, and as you can see, left switch is for slide, so basically that will open your sunroof, and the right switch is tilt. It's just gonna tilt it a bit. So I'm gonna show you how to use tilt. So basically just press on it and the sunroof will just open a little bit. To close it, you press it one more time and now it's closed. And to actually open sunroof, you will have to press this slide button. And now sunroof will open all the way. To close it, just push it one more time. And it's gonna close. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.